Almost everyone has experienced the problem of phone heating at some point. This problem is especially common in Android phones. However, there is no specific cause of this problem. Your phone may heat up due to various reasons. What to do? Keep the phone cool. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to solve Android phone heating problem. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Settings. Then click System Settings. Then click Developer option. Find Window Animation Scale. Click Window Animation Scale. Select Animation Scale 0.5x. Click Transition Animation Scale. Select Animation Scale 0.5x. Click Animation Duration Scale. Select Animation Scale 0.5x. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.